So today I will start logarithm. So first of all you have to write these notes. Let a, x, m be any numbers. Okay. The condition is that a cannot be 0, a must be always greater than 0, a not equals to 1, a cannot be 1 also, and m is a positive number, means m is greater than 0, such that a to the power x equals to m. Then the index x is called the logarithm or log of the number m with respect to the base a, written as x equals to log of m to the base a. Means if a to the power x equals to m, then we can write x equals to log of m to the base a. Okay, it is read as log of m to the base a. Okay, the value of m cannot be 0 or negative. That means what? Means if I write log of 0 to the base a, or log of -2 or -1 or minus anything, these are meaningless thing. This has no meaning. Okay, so the value of m cannot be 0 or it cannot be negative also. Similarly, if I can say a, the value of a cannot be 0, cannot be 1, or cannot be less than 1, it cannot be negative. Okay, the value of a starts from 2, 3, 4, like this. Okay, so if the base of a logarithm is 10, means if a is 10, it is called common logarithm. Okay, if the base of a logarithm is e is an irrational number whose approximate value, not exact value, approximate value is 2.71828. Okay, then the logarithm is called natural logarithm. Now if I write log of x to the base a equals to log of y to the base a, then if base is same, see, log base is same, then I can write x equals to y. Okay, and if a is greater than 1, x is less than y, then log of x to the base a is less than log of y to the base a. If x is greater than 1, log of x to the base a is greater than 0, then if 0 less than x less than 1, then log of x to the base a, it is a, is less than 0. Laws of logarithm. So if m is greater than 0, m and n be any two numbers whose value is greater than 0, then I can write log of mn, means m into n. It is called multiplication law of logarithm, equals to log of m plus log of n to the base a, of course. If I write log of m divided by n to the base a equals to log of m to the base a minus log of n to the base a. Now the formula for change of base, means I will change the base now. You see, if m is any number which is greater than 0, then I can write log of m to the base a can be written as log of m to the base b divided by log of a to the base b. So I have changed the base, so I can write it like this. The other formula is log of m to the base b equals to log of m to the base a into log of a to the base b. This is another formula.